So I only used one filter to filter that 2 kilo of silver that I dissolved in nitric acid, and this is what the filter looks like. So I'm not sure if that's gold in there or platinum based metals. I'm not sure. I'll try and refine it and see what comes out. So this was that filter I got from that silver, and what I've done is I've put it in nitric acid with a little bit of sulfuric acid, and then I've filtered it, and this is what's left. It looks like gold, or is it rust? I'm going to put it in aqua regia next and see what I get from it. So this was that filter. I put it in aqua regia, then I filtered it, and then I put some urea to neutralise the acid, and then I put some sodium metabisulfate in there, and it's gone black. So if it's not gold, I mean, I've never done platinum or any other platinum type metals. I'm hoping it's gold. So I'll see tomorrow when it all drops out. I'll dry it out and have a look. If it's brown, hopefully it'll be gold. I'll wait and see. So this filter's had a second refine because it was very dirty, the first one, and it's dropped out some gold. So I'm going to clean that up, dry it up, get a weight on it, see what we had in there. I wasn't expecting to see gold in there, so this is a bonus. So this is what I got from that filter. Still a bit dirty. It's had 2 refines. There's not a lot. .6 of a gram. So in the filter there was 0.6 of a gram, which is about £60 worth of gold. I should imagine when it's cleaned again it'll be half a gram. Let's say £50 worth. So that's better than throwing the filter away. You can see it's still dirty. It will be refined again. So that's the filter from the silver.